Controller drift can be frustrating, especially in a game like Red Dead Redemption 2. Here is a simple guide to help you reduce or eliminate this issue. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning your controller. Dust and debris can accumulate around the analog sticks. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the base of the sticks. Step 2. Check for software updates. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to your console or PC and check for any available updates in the settings menu. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In the game settings, look for the controller sensitivity or dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the impact of minor drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrate your controller through your console or PC settings. This process can help reset the controller as input recognition and may resolve drift issues. Step 5. Consider replacement. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider replacing the controller. Look for options that have good reviews regarding durability and performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift, allowing for a smoother gaming experience in Red Dead Redemption 2.